Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another find from International Quilt Market.
Yeah.
It's from the Gypsy Quilter called ToteOlogy. My mind was actually blown
I know.
when I saw the back side of this that holds a full 24.5-inch creative grid ruler.
This is incredible, Jen. Look at this. You see how these rulers are on the back? I have a 24.5 by 2.5, 6.5, and 8.5 in here. Whenever I pack those rulers to go anywhere, I am so worried they're gonna break.
I know.
Rulers are expensive. I usually leave my big rulers at home and hope somebody else is crazy enough to bring theirs, right? Now I can take my own rulers and I know they're not gonna get broken in this tote bag.
It's
Isn't that
amazing.
cool?
Show us what's inside. I think I see something in there.
Oh yeah, I've got a wool pressing mat for next to my machine.
Incredible. I'm normally bringing all this in like tubs.
Spinning mat, you know. I have a wafer light box.
And that's the wafer.
This is the wafer 2. This is the wafer 2.
Unbelievable.
Yes. Then I have smaller cutting mats. This tote bag is just, it's incredible. And I used things that had measurements on it so you can actually see how big they really are. It's amazing.
Oh, I love this for the apple fuse mat.
Your apple fuse mat goes in here. Yes. All my rulers, if I'm going to do paper piecing, my patterns, my rotary cutter, all my little notions, all my tools right here, ready to go. Isn't that great?
Quilt retreats are my favorite. But you know one of the things I don't like about quilt retreats?
What?
Packing. Because I'm in bins, it's all over the place, I feel unorganized.
Exactly.
Now everything is in a safe location and I can see it.
It's all in one place. You can see it with the pockets. Yes, with the vinyl.
My gosh.
It's perfect.
If you are a child of a quilter, your mother wants this.
Wondering what to get your mother or sister or someone who quilts.
Yeah, maybe even a lot of guys are quilting, and I think that's awesome. Whoever wants to be able to be organized and be able to transport those notions you love, get one of these.
Absolutely.
Get one of these
They're
from the
amazing.
Gypsy Quilter. Again, Gypsy Quilter, I love that they go watch where we struggle, and then they make products that solve problems.
They come up with a solution. I love that.
This is awesome. So
They're beautiful.
another awesome find. This is why we go to International Quilt Market.
Exactly.
You know, it's in Houston. It's only one time a year now. And we're going to continue to go because this is where we get exposed to see products that we think would bring a lot of value to you as well. So thanks for giving us a part of your day. And we'll see you again as we find more notions that we know we're going to love and we're sure you're going to love as well. We'll see you soon.